Bear Snores On is the story of a bear asleep in a cave in the wintertime. A mouse shows up who needs somewhere to be, and throughout the story, more animals show up. These animals realise that they can be as loud as they'd like in this cave by lighting a fire and making some food and having a little party, and the bear never wakes up. The bear just keeps snoring on.
So we'll follow Mouse on a bit of a journey for shelter.
Through a snowstorm.
Through a snowstorm, which is spectacular.
Down a hidden Narnia tunnel.
Yes, so we go through a bit of a journey down into a cave. We seem to discover his bear's cave. There's lots of magic that starts to unfold in that space.